Hi everybody, Cameron Ellis here with an on-the-go weather update. Currently seeing temperatures across the area, the upper mid-50s at this hour, currently for us here in the city. We're at 56 degrees with a partly cloudy sky. Here's what we know with Friday's snowstorm. We're currently seeing timing of freezing rain midday and then becoming snow by the evening hours. And that is for the viewing area. An earlier transition to snow is possible for areas west of the viewing area. Accumulations of 1 to 3 inches possible of snow with localized higher amounts and 1 to 2/10 of an inch of ice on top of that. Now, keep in mind, these accumulation totals are going to update as we continue to get closer to time. With that in mind, I'm not going to draw a snow map just yet, as I want to allow the models to get the best handle on this possible to provide you the most accurate information as possible. The impact zone will be southern Indiana, getting the greatest impact, and that being the greatest snow accumulation and some of the greatest ice totals as well. And to the south, we're going to be seeing less impacts by this system in terms of less accumulation and less ice accumulation on that note. So, we do have a winter storm watch in effect, and this winter storm watch, I'm currently breaking these into two parts. There's two areas under winter storm watches, and the reason why I'm doing this is because this one goes into effect tomorrow night, and then we have one going into effect early Friday. So let's break this down. Winter storm watch in effect for counties of Gibson, Pike, Posey, Vanderburgh, Warwick, Spencer, and Perry counties, and that goes into effect at 9 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday, and then it will expire at 9 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time on Friday. So there is also the other winter storm watch in effect for counties including the viewing area, and also counties including Knox, Daviess, Martin, Du Bois, Orange, Crawford, Harrison, Floyd, Clark, Jefferson, Scott, Washington, and that goes into effect at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Friday, and that will expire by Saturday at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, notice out to the east, counties of Ripley, Dearborn, Ohio, and Switzerland are not included in this, and that's due to that they are not controlled either by the Indianapolis National Weather Service Office, Louisville National Weather Service Office, and with that in mind, they are controlled by the Ohio National Weather Service Office, and so therefore each office has a different criteria, so therefore that is why some areas don't get issued some of the alerts that other areas do. So if your area doesn't get issued an alert at some point whenever we do have water going on that requires water alerts, it's probably why, because it's not meeting the criteria for that specific office. So keep that in mind for future reference as more things like this approach our area. So, going on to the overnight tonight, we're going to be dropping down to 54 for an overnight low. Cloudy, small pop-up shower, 20% chance. As we go into the day tomorrow, the rain chance ramps up to 50% chance and highs in the lower 60s. That's an update from the JCTV Weather Center. I'm Cameron Ellis.